Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. Another temple designed for you. Home temple, wooden temple, Mandir for your home. And the design again, one of the very different designs that you generally get in a market. And the design is entirely customized as per client's requirement. This one is 4 feet left to right. Total height is close to 7 feet. Front to back 22 inches. Platform height from the ground is 18 inches. And we have ASHTALAKSHMI, the 8 forms of Ma Lakshmi right in the middle on the doors. Then we have Dashavtar, the 10 forms right here. And you can see all of them clearly visible here. And along with that, we have Hanumanji and Garuddev sitting on top of the temple. If you see closely, along with that, we have got Om on the top, and this Om has got LED light. I'll just turn off the light and you can see the difference on the top. Here, I turned off the light. This is the LED impact you can see right here. Similar to the LED design on top, we can also get something inside. We have done it earlier, and it again depends on what you want and what you like. This is as per the client's requirement. Customize one of the models and got something like this. This has got a bhog tray. So when you want a bigger tray, and the smaller tray is generally the diya tray, and when we have some occasion, we can pull out the tray and offer all the bhog to our deities. Along with that, we have a cabinet here and 2 drawers, one and one on the one underneath this. So this is the storage area. And overall design work, if you see here, amazing handwork right here. The statue part that you see is done by machine. This is not hand done. Rest everything that you see is the work of artisans, local artisans, master artisans in fact, who make such beautiful units, beautiful carving on real solid teak wood. And the natural teak finish that you see in this unit is one of the most liked colors across the globe when we talk about wood temples. The Om cutting also is done by machine. So this part, the statue part, and the middle door part. This is done by machine. Rest everything, all the carving is hand done. Now about the door part. I'll show you a couple of things in the door. First, this is a foldable door. So you see the 4 folds here. I'll explain the concept for this one also, because what happens is when the unit is big, the door gets quite big. So if you open the door like this on the front, it covers a lot of area and the visibility on the sides gets less. So when we have double fold door, it covers lesser area. So here you can see, so it has got its impact here. Inside we have got 4 shelves, and these shelves are generally you see in the temples that are iskcon, and there they put different images and different idols on these shelves. So you want something like this, or you want a step inside, that can be done according to your requirement, and the internal design is visible here. Apart from this, we have got brass bells on the door, and these are solid and real brass bells. Very nice tinkling sound. And when you open the door, they always tinkle, gives a very pleasant sound, and it's really good to have temples in your bells. And it's really good to have bells in your temple. Rest overall the design you see has got peacocks, the elephant under the pillar, and the teak wood finish from all the sides. Also the side I'll show you. So you can see the carving on the sides. It has got a jali design. This is a jali design on the top. And if you want this side closed, you don't want a jali, we can provide you that too. The entire unit is as per your choice, size, design, color, and any extra element you want to change some part, you want to increase the height of the platform from the ground, we can do that. If you want a different type of gopuram on the top, we can do that. So we have got all the options, especially in wooden temples, because temple is part of your home and your puja traditions. And in Sanatan Dharma, our traditions are very different. People around 50 kilometers from here may have different traditions, and that is the most important thing to be covered. So you let us know what you want. We'll make it according to your requirement and we deliver globally. So if you see a section of testimonials on our website, you will see pictures from across the globe. The units we have delivered everywhere and different size, design, colors, dimensions, everything is there. Detailed videos about Vastu, about the purification of the temple when you receive it, and several other things we have done earlier. And if you want to have a look, they are visible on YouTube as well. So the design is right here. I hope you like it. Any requirement of yours, please let us know. We deliver globally, India or out of India, wherever you are, at factory price. Because we are the makers and you are buying it, we deliver directly to your place. So it saves a lot of cost for the commissions, traders, the middleman. So in lesser cost, better prices, factory prices delivered right to your home across the globe. So please check what you like, contact us. We'll be happy to make one of your God's temple. Thank you. Dhanyavad.